Hello, YouTube. Hello, welcome to the channel. Hello, welcome to the channel. Fuck you, asshole. Hello, welcome. This clutch trucker goes, hello, YouTube. Yeah. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. I reckon it's probably now. Back to the old. Why have you never set the clock in this van routine? Well, as you can see, it is raining and windy. It's been raining and windy for the last couple of hours. I've been sleeping on the couch listening to Genesis. We're completely naked with a log burner. Oh, you didn't hear that. With a log burner, the warmth of the log burner in the room. It's wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful. Have I got my gimbal with me? Don't know. I think so. There's always something. Always thinking, what have you forgot? You know, it's always like that, isn't it? Do you know what I get fed up? I suppose it's just part of what I do, but you get tired and that, and you know, you try to grab things in the dark and everything with one hand, usually. And when you're doing this, what I'm doing at the weekends, there's sleep deprivation. You'll end up bumping into things and being quite careless and everything. There is a sort of thing that happens. Plus I'm getting older, so my balance isn't as good as it was. So it's quite amazing what's happening to the country is that if you look at, I was watching a video with Donald Trump in it last night, and he's going to make America great again, so he says, right? So I don't know if that's going to work out, of course, because generally you've always got to be aware that politicians always disappoint, always. So when you look at if you look at Detroit and what happened there, you know, when they stopped making cars, so they imported all the cars from Japan, sorry, freaking Tesla, oh my god, what a horrible car. They started importing, I mean, the government subsidised that. Do you believe that? Can you believe that the government subsidised that car with your taxpayers' money? In this claptrap about saving the planet with that thing. I mean, that is twisted. Anyway, never mind. So, they're talking about we're not, you know, because America used to make cars. Well, they still do, but they used to make a lot of cars. The thing about American cars is the cars that they made didn't suit the UK or Europe. It was quite unusual, you know, to have an American car. Well, the only ones that started doing it properly were Jeep Cherokee, was sort of a station wagon sort of thing. So what I'm really getting at here is what's happening to this country, the reality of it, and this milliband and this net zero obsession, religion, cult religious thing. Whereas at all costs, truck spotting, that's a bus. You know, at all costs we've got to aim for this thing, which is not going to work. The rest of the world isn't doing, and so what I'm really getting at is, if you think about Detroit, when you look at the rows of abandoned houses that just been left to fall into the ground, you know? Well, I think that's what you're going to get here at some point in the UK. Spent all our money on these, on that infrastructure, and it's not going to be any good, and they'll have to eventually do nuclear reactors like what I've been saying all along. Well, it's not common sense, isn't it, really? So, this bullshit about 2030, get rid of ice cars, is just fucking stupid. Only 5 years time. So all it is it's more consumerism disguised as environmentalism. I don't know how there's anybody that believes it. I find it hard to think how anyone can believe that crap. Who can believe that? You'd have to be dumb, wouldn't you? Or as well, a zealot. Does that mean you're dumb if you're a zealot? Or does that mean you're just a zealot? The problem is though the bullshit about the green jobs and the worst, biggest lie is the cheap energy. We're going to get cheap energy. yeah. I mean, does anybody believe that? Because if you do, you must be dumb. Totally dumb. Cheap energy. Right. But my children don't listen to me. I try to warn them. I try to warn my brother and sister don't listen to me either. They don't listen to me about anything. Because it's the dynamic in our family. I'm youngest. I was totally, well, actually abused by them. And sort of mentally abused. But rather it's just because they're not being listened to. And the pair of them were just being dumb as well, them two. Yeah. I think the decisions they were making were dim. Ironically, I was the only one that was sort of thinking in a business-like manner certain things. And but that's fine, that's up to them. You just got to go along with it. I'm trying to be a better person, so I'm trying to be a mature a mature person, man, be mature, and that is let people go, you know. So, and don't get in pointless arguments with people. I'm learning to avoid that. I'm getting better at that all the time. Just don't be there, you know. It's just like, well, there's no point confronting people over stupid stuff that they're not gonna. It's not gonna work. So they're not gonna go, oh yeah, you're absolutely right about that. Thanks for letting me know I'm a complete arse. I mean, that's not gonna happen, is it? No. M876, 1 mile. So hopefully I can get parked up here and get to bed. Would be a good idea. So I've had a couple hours sleep. I think, sort of. Well, I got up at, well, 12:30. So is that a couple hours? I laid down about, yeah, probably is, about 9, half 9 or something. I was in the, yeah, so there's a bit, 2 hours at a push. What's the point in doing this video? I don't know. Just so the viewer can see the weather as it is right now. About 1:30 in the morning. Bit drafty tonight. It's drafty. Very drafty. I hate these traffic lights down here. It's the worst traffic lights in the world. perfect lights. Couple of horses. Here we go. I can feel it. There's a draft in that door because the rubber seal. I think it's twisted. It's not on properly in the side loading door, and you get it's like quite a draft comes in there. Something I need to do something about. And I just haven't got around to it. I need to get one of these. You know, like these sort of like sausage dog type draft excluder things you get. I should be able to find one of them. I mean, I've probably had them before, I just didn't realise. That would do it. Sit down next to the door. Here we are in Grangemouth. Grangemouth. We're in Grangemouth. Watch this, look. Time I get through here, they'll change. The nasty lights. Nasty. Are these ones going to change by the time I get there? Aye, they'll change to red. By the time I get up there, they'll be red. Watch this. Well, if I start driving fast, then they'll change. Told you. See, in that car, that taxi's sitting there. I'll be in the wrong lane as well. It's the other thing that happens here. It's just roundabout, it doesn't make any freaking sense. Right, so we're coming around here. These lights will change to red when I get to them. No, oh no, look, oh God, we're getting right through here. Jesus God. These ones not going to change? What's wrong? Wow, that was smooth. Why? There's a lot going on up here. We're doing stuff here. On the right, they're doing stuff. There's all air vents in there. You get a lot of people flying around here at night. Boy racers and that. Girl racers. It's a phenomenon. When we were young, you didn't get girl. No, I don't think you got girl. You didn't get girl racers. It was boy racers. Well, it was a young man who owned a car, and you would use it as part of your social life. You know, you'd actually meet people out and about, which was great actually when you think about it. Fantastic. Sitting there with your pals, with your Ford Cortina or something. Ford Capri normally. And you try to get your leg over or whatever. Listening to music, having a laugh, messing about. Those were good days. Some nights I would either do that or go to the pub. You know, like I'll go to the pub one night and then the next night do the boy racing thing. Oh. So, so we've made it. There's the BMW sitting there, aerators. Some examples, you know. Oh, at least that van's not there. What are we going to do? Anyway, so thanks for watching. We'll end the video now. I'm going to try to work out where I'm going to park. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.